Welcome children, take out your geography book. Chapter 7 Europe, Location, Political Divisions and Physical Features. Today I am going to give you the question answers of this chapter. Question 1. What were the two major political events of the 20th century that changed the boundaries of many of the nations of Europe? Answer. The two major political events of the 20th century that changed the boundaries of many of the nations of Europe are: Number 1. In 1990, the states of East Germany and West Germany were united to form the nations of Germany. Number 2. In 1991, the former Soviet Union, which used to be the largest country of Europe, broke up into Russia and 15 other countries. Question 2. Name the capitals of the following countries. Answer. The capitals are Italy, Rome; Slovenia, Ljubljana; Georgia, Tbilisi; Norway, Oslo; Germany, Berlin; Switzerland, Bern; Portugal, Lisbon. Question 3. Explain what the following geographic features are. George. The ice sheets and glaciers cut deep valleys into the mountain. When the ice sheets melt, the sea enters the valley and forms steep-sided, narrow and long inlets into the mountain. Such inlets are called fjords. Moraines. Moraines are eroded materials that are carried and deposited by glaciers. Moraines are generally very old structures and only occur in places that once had glacier. Shield. The term shield refers to a large stable area of low relief that is composed of ancient igneous and metamorphic rocks. Shields are present in all the continents and form the oldest and most stable parts of the continent. Question 4. Name the two halls between which the Rhine Rift Valley stands as a graben. Answer. Vosges and Black Forest are the two halls between which the Rhine Rift Valley stands as a graben. Question 5. Name the rivers that flow into. Answer. The rivers that flow into. Number A. The Adriatic Sea. The rivers Rhone, Ebro and Po flows into the Adriatic Sea. Number B. Atlantic Ocean. The rivers Guadalquivir in Spain, Tagus and Douro in Portugal, Loire and Seine in France, Rhine, Weser and Elbe in Germany flow into the Atlantic Ocean. Black Sea. The Danube, Dnieper and Don flows into the Black Sea. Question C. Name an important food item and beverage that Switzerland is famous for. Answer. The important food item of Switzerland are cheese and chocolate. Switzerland has many wineries and breweries where tourists can taste special variety of wine and beer. Question 7. Describe the location of Europe. Answer. Europe lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. It extends from around 71 degree north to 36 degree north latitude and from 10 degree west to 60 degree east longitude. The prime meridian or the 0 degree longitude passes through Greenwich near London. The Arctic Circle, the 66.5 degree latitude, cuts across North Europe. Question 8. Describe the Northern Highlands. Answer. The Northern Highlands, also known as Western Uplands, stretches across Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark, Iceland, Scotland, Ireland, northwest France, Spain and Portugal. They are composed of ancient crystalline rocks. Question 9. Write a brief note on Great European Plains. Answer. The Great European Plain of Europe is a lone land that stretches from the Atlantic coast of France in the west to the Urals in the east. It is shaped like a triangle, broad in the east and narrow towards the west. Most of the plain is lower than 152 meters in elevation. Question 10. List the main mountain ranges that make up the Alpine mountain system. Answer. The main mountain ranges that make up the Alpine mountain system are Sierra Nevada, Cantabrian Mountains, Pyrenees, Apennines, Mont Blanc, Dinaric Alps, Balkan Mountains, Carpathian Mountains and Cascades Mountains. Question 11. Compare the Rhine and Danube river system. What are the similarities and differences between them? Answer. The Rhine and Danube are international rivers as they pass through many countries. The Rhine originates in the Alps in Switzerland, flows northwards through Germany and enters the sea through Holland. The Danube is also an international river. It rises in the Black Forest mountain in Germany and flows through 9 more countries before draining into the Black Sea. It is not as important as Rhine for international trade, and Black Sea is an almost landlocked sea. And with this, I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.